In many classrooms, speaking tasks can create anxiety or disengagement for students. Today, we'll explore how to support speaking in ways that include every student without forcing performance. As you watch, keep these three questions in mind. Inclusive speaking activities ensure participation is shared. It's not dominated by the confident few, but rather involves everyone in the learning process. Instead of calling on volunteers, teachers can use paired conversations where everyone gets a turn. Small group conversations provide a low-stakes setting for students to practice speaking skills. Choral repetition allows students to practice sounds, phrases, or short answers together, removing the spotlight from individuals. By designing interactions where everyone speaks briefly and often, we shift speaking from performance to a shared routine. This creates safety and predictability for learners who need time to build confidence in their communication. Supporting speaking skills doesn't always require students to perform out loud in front of others. Alternatives let learners rehearse ideas before speaking or demonstrate understanding in different modalities. For example, students might write a short response on a whiteboard or choose from sentence stems. They could also point to visual options or rehearse silently before speaking. Some may prefer recording a short voice note rather than speaking live in front of the class. These options honor different processing needs while still developing underlying skills for confident oral communication. Pressure decreases when speaking is framed as practice, not performance. Clear modeling from the teacher lets learners hear the rhythm and structure before trying it themselves. Offering sentence frames or predictable routines helps students know exactly what to say and how long they're expected to speak. Allowing rehearsal time reduces cognitive load, especially for multilingual learners or those with anxiety. When corrections focus on meaning rather than spotlighting errors, students feel safer to try. Over time, this gentle, consistent approach builds not only speaking skills, but also trust between students and teachers. Supporting speaking without forcing performance means designing tasks where every learner participates comfortably. They participate with choice and with dignity, respecting their individual learning styles. When classrooms honor different communication needs, speaking becomes a skill students grow into. It's not a test they fear, but a journey of growth and confident expression.